Let's move on to the fourth question of this paper. An ordered pair alpha beta for which the system of linear equations, three equations are given, has a unique solution. Now, system of equations has a unique solution. What's the requirement? Determinant formed by the coefficient should not be 0. So, simple question, let's write down the determinant formed by the coefficients. We have the coefficients like 1 plus alpha, beta 1, alpha 1 plus beta 1, alpha beta 2. This should not be 0, right? Now, we can expand directly or we can simplify first, like R2 replaced with R2 minus R1 and R3 replaced with R3 minus 2R1. Either we can go with 2R1 so that this becomes 0, or we can simply go with R1 just to make the thing simpler. Either way, anyway, I am going with the approach by making two elements in one row or column 0. So, this gives me 1 plus alpha beta 1. Next, R2 minus R1, minus 1, 1, 0, right. Next, R3 minus 2 R1. So, alpha minus 2 alpha, minus 2 minus alpha is left, beta minus 2 beta, minus beta is left, 2 minus 2, that is 0. This term should not be 0 is what we are looking for. So, expand it along the third column to get the result as beta minus 2 minus alpha. It should not be 0. That means alpha plus beta plus 2 should not be 0 is the result required. So, let us see the question. Now, they are saying that possible set alpha comma beta. Now, alpha comma beta, let us see which of the following options is satisfying the equation alpha plus beta plus 2 not equal to 0. Now, when you put the first option, you can see 1 minus 3 plus 2 is 0 satisfied. When you put the second option, both positive, clearly it is not going to satisfy. So, that is the correct answer. You can cross verify with option 3 and 4. Yes, these are making it 0. So, the correct option for this question is option number 2. So, let us move on to the next question of this paper. The perpendicular distance from origin to the plane containing these two lines. Now, a plane containing two lines, how it is being given? Simply you can write x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1, a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2, the determinant is 0, correct. So, that gives you the equation of the plane. Now, question is saying perpendicular distance of that plane from origin, that you have to find. So, let us find out the equation of plane first. Determinant formed by x plus 2, y minus 2, z plus 5. Instead of taking these one, you can also take x minus 1, y minus 4, z plus 4. Okay, 3, 5, 7, 1, 4, 7 is equal to 0. Simplifying, you get 35 minus 28, that is 7 times x plus 2. Moving ahead, this gives you 21 minus 7, that is 14 times y minus 2. Then you have next 12 minus 5, that is plus 7 times z plus 5 is equal to 0. You can divide entire equation by 7 and can rewrite the equation x minus 2y plus z. Next, you can see the constant term as you have divided by 7. So, it is 2 plus 4, that is 6 plus 5, that is 11. So, plus 11 is equal to 0. Now, we are looking for the perpendicular distance on this plane from origin. So, required length is equal to simply 11 by root 6. So, length of perpendicular is required from origin, this is 11 by root 6. So, the correct answer for this question is option number 4. So, let us move on to the next question, that is question number 6. Consider 3 boxes each containing 10 balls leveling like 1, 2, 3 up to 10. Suppose one ball is randomly drawn from each of the boxes. denoted by Ni, the level of ball drawn from the ith box, that is first box or second box or third box. So this is being denoted. Now, then the number of ways in which the balls can be chosen such that n1 is less than n2 is less than n3. Now, they are saying that whatever ball you have drawn from the first box, the number on that is less than that of the ball on the second, then ball of the third one. So, starting this one, we can simply say out of 10, select 3 balls. In how many ways? 10C3. And that one way, because when you have selected, there is no arrangement. That one way is what we are looking for. N1 is less than N2 is less than N3. That's all. So simply that way it can be done, like 10 factorial by 3 factorial into 7 factorial. That gives us 10 into 9 into 8 divided by 3 into 2 into 1. Right, that gives you cancelling. This is 3 into 4, that is 12 into 10, or simply 120. So required number of ways, that is 120. Correct answer is option number 2. So I am sure this question is clear. Let's move on to the next question.